don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Welcome to my fans TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Pyramids 2. I'm joined by BK Lescano.
How's it there?
I give me nothing.
Shabruaka. My reviews and reflections are going to differ from the rest of the people.
Yeah.
You know, there's something that they say, there's no player that is greater than the team.
Yes.
And I think Cardoso came with that stigma that Mshishi will never be bigger than... Yeah. It's more of like, if you can check when Mshishi is introduced into the game.
Yes.
How we vibe up the stadium.
Yes.
I think he feels like he is taking his glory and shine.
Yeah.
Because if we have to be fair, he played a card that is not match fit. In the last two Betway Premiership games, Mshishi was there. He came in, he changed the game.
Yes.
Then in such a game, Mshishi's got experience.
Yeah.
Why are you not bringing him to change the game?
Nabatle.
You understand?
Nabatle.
Then you bring your Adam. Adam was not there.
Yeah.
Reynas was like he's in UFC or wrestling there. He was falling on his own.
Yeah.
But you've got Chalulile who's got experience, who's exposed to such magnitude of standard.
Teams, yeah.
He came.
Hey.
He was fighting alone. There was a time where he tried to do a scissors kick while he was on the ground.
Hey.
It shows that he's a fighter.
Yes.
Why are you not bringing such people to win the game?
Aish.
This game,
Hey.
we can go to Kasi, a coach,
Yeah.
Gogas,
Yeah.
and bring him there.
Yeah.
He would have came back with the star.
That easy.
Easy.
Easy. Got
So,
downs, man.
when you are in a team,
Yeah.
agendas, they don't work. If you are a coach,
Yes.
regardless of I'm a star, like in Europe, there are big players than you as a coach.
Sure.
But you know that I need this guy to win the game.
Yes.
Him, if he doesn't understand that the fact that there are some players that we as the fans appreciate,
Yes.
he will not go anywhere. Club World Cup,
Yeah.
these South American players, like you bring Sales.
Hey, Sales.
What did he do? Did you see him in the game?
Akamobo.
It was like he was not in the game.
there.
He will never change a game, that guy. So why don't you bring someone who will change a game? There are a lot of players who could have changed the game. So for me, Cardoso, Ambaka.
He must go.
He
must go. Afambene.
Afambi.
Aichayile tabakado.
Straight.
Aichayile.
Straight.
Athulele da. Ka material.
Pela remember, una le DPT champion.
Yes.
Then who sa qualify or abo? Ki DPT. Pyramid I win.
Yeah.
Then you know ulatela pyramid. Ge ba bala re pyramid jileng. Ba bala le yena Cardoso. Sa monyaka.
Samanyaka.
Eh.
Pagani.
Yeah, wa nyaka. Aga le nna ne re DPT ya Sundowns.
Hey.
You know ki dia change.
Yeah.
What goes around comes around.
Ijwa.
So I honor they must feel that pain. They must feel that pain.
Kala you.
I really know.
Yeah.
O sa ka abu mo.
Ay abu.
Ata thome fast. I get ho di game J4.
Hey.
Abu and I run to get the coco melon jela di mo teile.
Yeah.
17 years.
Yeah.
Gape bola gape do tia ka bana. Oh my
God.
Hey, what pyramid ke no mos. I get one over 2008 ya change ka 2018.
Hey.
So I re ka gape ya thoma le go final. So I want to really DPT ya rena.
Look at na le go care.
Wa bona. so ebile tšere gabotse e dirile sharp ka re le nne wa bona o na le piece ka o sane re o phaka dikipa tšela tša champion ro re change fela re dpt champion se sa bobedi ke sele se apere ke sekhukhune sa bobedi ke sele sa sekhukhune di gona le no a ke re ba di tshwere kwa bekeng di etla ro ba gatlheletse kwa airport ba re fa o ba ka sa di apara obviously ne ba di printile tša go ngwala champion then ro emela tsona ba re fa tsona obviously ke ga ona ka
ya re tla ba welcome ra di batla
bo di shaka ka re ba ka sa di apara ma Sundowns
ba refe
o di ka sa apare ke bona sound ba no fa rena re di apara pyramid
man of the match
man of the match o bone mang wena
Mayele because now who caused the pressure. But the game was not competitive. The coachman ruined everything for me. Yeah, Cardoso, I'm still complaining with him. I'm still complaining with him. Let me make him my man of the match.
Once and for all.
Yeah, once and for all. Cardoso, man of the match. You brought South Africa down as a country. Yeah, listen, that's what I want to say. Yeah, give on. Like Cardoso is the man of the match. He failed.
I did.
He brought our country down. Like today, Sundowns was representing the country.
Yes.
So, Coach Cardoso, you're the man of the match. Sales is your deputy. Allende, good. Allende people, they are complaining about Allende that he was not in the game.
Yes.
Allende was in the game. If you are not giving me a player who will play with me, what do you expect from me? He should have brought someone to tick with Ribeiro, and even Ribeiro was missing in action today.
Hey.
Why? Because of your Sales. And Reynolds was falling alone. So should they have brought someone like Mshishi to give the balls? They would have been there.
Combination.
I country yeah come go coachara le next year sanja aba repeat ka ona mo
Thank you, PK. Thank you.